Hand sewing on a button is one of those pleasing sewing tasks that everyone should have in their sewing skill set. Whether it's replacing a long-lost button on a ready-to-wear garment, to adding a sprinkle of colourful buttons on your latest make, this tutorial will show you step by step how to sew on a button by hand. In this video, I'm sewing buttons onto a Lyra shirt dress, an ideal pattern for perfecting your buttonholes and buttons. You can also find buttons on our Ariel skirt, the Seren dress, and lots more. Pull out about an arm's length of thread. My default is all-purpose polyester thread, which is nice and strong. Thread the needle. Tie the ends together in a double knot. Snip the ends close enough that the threads won't peep out from under the button, but not so close that they'll untie themselves. Insert the needle where you want your button, through the right side or knife side of the fabric, first to hide the knot. Before adding the button, anchor the thread with a couple of stitches. Add your button and sew 5 to 7 stitches on the spot, possibly more if you want to make it extra secure. Each time you make a stitch, pull the thread all the way through to the knot, checking you don't have a loop at the end. To knot the end, on the wrong side or underside of your fabric, insert the needle through the stitches. Pull the thread through, leaving a smallish loop. Insert the needle through that loop, then pull tightly to secure. Repeat. Snip the ends, and that's it, you've sewn on a button.